Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my Happy Mail haul for September. We only have 2 parcels and that's going to be it, I think. So let's start off with my Patreon pack from Erin at Floto Designs. So yeah, this is going to be a super speedy haul video. And we've got Kiara chilling with us, but yeah. So first up we have the stencil, which is this Halloweeny wreath, which is super cute there. And then we've got the little box. The extras are this month some autumnal quotes and this spider deco. And then there's this like witchy theme kit. So this is the habit tracker. You got your date dots, your headers, Monday through Sunday. That looks like a Patreon add-on page, more deco, deco page, banners page, washi, and another Patreon add-on page. So that is my Patreon pack from Erin Floto Designs. I'm going to use that for October. Sadly, I have just made the decision to stop being a patron of Erin's, not because I don't want to support her, but because I really need to be saving money for the wedding, so I'm going to be sad to not be using those every month soon. Anyhow, our second parcel is my PR pack from August from Plannerface. So I did receive a discount on this order, so this order only cost me £8.05 because I promote for Anna. So that does mean you can use Tilly10 to save 10%. Okay, I can now move properly because I don't have a cat anymore. So, freebies wise, you got this journaling card there. This is the August freebie sampler. And then I got Lizolette's PR freebie, which is there. So then for the actual order, I got the October monthly spread and I got it with the Monday Star add-on strips. You're used to Plannerface's format by now, so I'm not going to run through it. They're the only monthly kits I use at the moment. I absolutely love this artwork. I believe it is Kanishka's Jess. It's really stunning. I love to have like one proper Halloween thing, and that tends to be my monthly because, and I'll explain that in a second when I move on to this kit, because I don't tend to use a Halloween weekly kit. I'm not like, everybody in the planning community seems obsessed with Halloween now. It's fine, but it's not my cup of tea generally. Like, I just don't really do anything for it, so it seems bizarre to celebrate it so much in my planner. So that's the October monthly kit. And then I also have this Witch's Brew artwork here, kit. And this is like special. So this was the artwork for this. We worked on together, a group of us worked on together with Becca. This is Becca of Club Gemini's artwork. And this is what Anna made with it. She made this absolutely beautiful kit. And I'm going to use this kit for Halloween week because it's like got witchy vibes. So it's slightly Halloweeny, but also it's baking-ish. And the week of Halloween is normally the week of the Great British Bake Off final, so it like celebrates both, so I'm really excited to use that for this. So there are your 4 boxes. They're absolutely gorgeous. This cat here is based on Loki of ColourfulandCo's cat, and there's so many gorgeous details in this, like the little Halloween and ghost cup and things. It's absolutely stunning. I love it. And as you can see, there's so many elements, so there's no repeated deco. She absolutely spoiled us. It's gorgeous date covers, and I love that she spoiled in this blue from the hair in the kit. I think it makes it a really unique combination of colours. And then you've got the bottom washi there, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I love this kit. So you've got your add-on girl boxes, alternate girl boxes for this box here, and that's it. That is all I have received in September. Well, that wasn't right, was it, Pastilly? You got 2 more things. a couple of days after filming this, and I thought I'd include them in this month's haul. So we have Colourful Cubeasaur Box and Plannerface Mystery Kit. They were both sort of mystery items, so I'm not going to include them in the thumbnail, so I'm going to pass back to previous Tilly in a moment or two when we've opened these up and had a little look. As you can see, this literally dropped through the door a few minutes ago. I've just literally stuck stickers over the front and I'm opening it up. So if you do not want to be spoiled for the Colourful Cubeasaur Autumn Box, my post office did not do well with this, I would go away now. I sort of know what's in this box, I've seen some of it, but I feel like there's still a mystery item, but I can't remember. To be honest, I can't remember what's in this box, so let's have a little look. Oh, obviously, like, my box just has 2 smaller boxes in, so hold these while we open more boxes. I can't remember whether I asked for a PR sampler with this, therefore whether there will be one. I don't think I did actually. These have different stickers on them. That confused me for a second. We will open this one first. So, now if you don't want to be spoiled for the Autumn Colourful Cubeasaur Box, click away. We are going to open her up. Ooh, is this the mystery item? Right, this is a mystery item. I can see it's got a little clip, but we're not going to look closer than that for a moment. We're going to look at the washies in the box. Oh, there's loads. Why are there so many washies? Oh, I feel like her manufacturer did the wrong colour, that's why. Oh, we've got die cuts and a holographic die cut. Oh, I'm so excited. Right, let's get it all out. Right, we'll start off with this sticker sheet. So 3, 2, 1. So we have a autumn bucket list, so lots of different autumnal activities there. Zoom in a little bit so we can see a bit better, and then we need to brighten up. There we go. So we have things like take a woodland walk. So we have things like visit a woodland house, drink hot chocolate, cozy movie night, create a leaf craft, watch a spooky film. Lots of different autumnal activities there. Then with the colours from the box, we've got this autumn functionals sheet. I absolutely love these because I love Beth's functionals so much. Then we have this teacup holographic sticker, which is gorgeous. I love it. Then we have the washi tape, which I believe this one is an extra because her manufacturer made it wrong. Let me just see if I can double check. I don't know, her manufacturer screwed up the colour, so she's just sent the extra one. I assume it's this one because they don't have the exclusive washi tape sticker on. But I don't know, I'm not 100% sure, but we got 2 extra washies anyway. So, I will probably open these up and swatch them in a moment for you, but they are absolutely gorgeous. I am in love with them. These are going to be so perfect to go with autumn spreads, and these 6 have gorgeous rose gold foil, and then we can see a little sample of that one there. So let's find out what this mystery item is and open it up. It looks like a charm with a little bike. Oh, it is. Oh, wow. Okay, this is adorable. I don't know how well you can see it. Let's try and pop it in my hand and try. Okay, so there you go. It's this gorgeous little bicycle charm. That is adorable. I am in love with it. That's definitely going on my planner because this will clip on to the coil. So if we refocus, I reckon you can either, it's my budget planner I've got here. I reckon you can easily, just clip it on like that if you want to. Oh, this is such a good idea, Beth. I love it. Oh, there's some die cuts as well that I've missed. Let's have a little look at these die cuts as well. I kind of forgot about these. So, we have the bicycle that is there. We have this cute little owl. We have a leaf. We have a toadstool. We've got a bigger version of the bike. We've got the gorgeous flowers that are on the washi. We've got an acorn. We've got another larger version of the flowers, another leaf. A pie, a large pie. Some jam. The teacup of the foil die cut. Some more toadstools. That's a smaller version of the pie. I have to zoom out to fit all of this on. Larger jam. I feel like there's a small and a large of everything, or like 2 of most things. So let me just see if that is a correct prediction. If I can pile them up together. Quick quickly just do this. Oh, there's 3 of the leaf. There's 3 of the leaf and there's 2 of everything else. Some of them are in 2 different sizes, other than this, because you have the holographic version of that as well. So there's essentially 2 of every die cut and 3 leaves. So that's those. And that's all for the box. We'll just double check everything is the same in the second box, but I would be very surprised if it is not. Oh, I got the card in this one. So yeah, we got 2 extra washies in this. So you got your Dusky Rose signature hearts, and I think it's probably this one that's Fall in Love Botanical Vine, and then Wildflower, your bucket list sheet, your autumn functional sheet, your vintage teacup vinyl sticker, your vintage bicycle acrylic charm. And this just says, I'm sad to say this will be the last Colourful Cubeasaur box in this iteration. I plan to change things up for a different and bring out a different version in the future. So I'm excited to see what she does with that. And this is the front of the gorgeous journaling card. This is really nice paper. It's like, it almost feels like, not plasticky, but like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like really smooth, but like matte, but it's kind of plasticky. I don't know how else to describe it. So I think looking at this, there is exactly the same of everything else in the other box. So that is the Colourful Cubeasaur box. I will swatch the washies for you now. So here we have the swatched washi and the washi outside of the plastic wrapper. As you can see, it's absolutely stunning. So as I was correct before, this pale green is the extra one. And everybody got that because her manufacturer made an error, I believe. So you got 2 extra washies in for this for free, which is incredible. These are absolutely gorgeous. They are, like, these 2 particularly are really unusual. They're all really unusual colours for washi, and there's going to be so many kits they go with, so I'm so excited about those. So absolutely gorgeous box. You've got so much in this. I'm really sad it's the last iteration of this variation, but I'm sure whatever Better comes up with next to replace this or instead of this will be incredible. I am so excited. So yeah, that's the box. You know I love Beth's washi. It's pretty much the only washi I buy now. So yeah, I've got 2 of all of those. And then last but certainly not least, we have the Plannerface mystery kit for August. So if you do not want to see the Plannerface mystery kit for August, click off now. I do PR for Plannerface, so I get a discount for promoting the stickers, but I obviously paid full price for this. So are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Yes, I thought it was like a bonfire camping theme, and there's friggin' someone in a wheelchair. I am living for this. Oh, there's a die cut. Oh, this is the extra special one because she hit a certain number of subs, so she's done an extra additional hot chocolate die cut. So I'm so excited about this. So this is side 1 of the journaling card, and this is size 2. This is a camping theme. This isn't exactly what I thought it was going to be, and I may not actually. I was going to use this for bonfire night from the sneak, but I don't know whether I will. We'll see when I see the full boxes. So I'm just checking which is the bottom, but that's the bottom. So we will flip this way so that the full boxes are the right way up when I see. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, oh, okay. I'm just gonna out. It is Boxing Day. Sorry, I was just reading that. It just says try and be spoiler free. It is like bonfire night, but not like strictly. You could definitely use it for camping, but I think I will be using it for bonfire night. And I love that teal. That is absolutely, oh, sorry, I'm not in frame. That is an absolutely gorgeous colour. The colours are really, it's a really unusual colour combination, and I really love it. I think I probably will be using this for bonfire night, but let's have a little look. So you've got the scene here, you've got the girl in the wheelchair, who I am so happy she's done that, there. And here are your date covers and your deco boxes. I don't need to run through Plannerface kits, but here is the kit. Oh, these are gorgeous, so gorgeous. I'm in love with these colours, really am. There are your ombre heart check boxes and your icons. Oh, that washi. This will look great as a split bottom washi, I feel. And you've got your extra box there. Oh wow, there are a lot of extra boxes here. So she's actually just done like a full half sheet of extra boxes. Yeah, definitely being used for bonfire night because look at those fireworks. Right, okay, so let's have a look at all of the 4 boxes, if I can even get them all on in frame. There's only one on there. We want that one too. And then the first page. Look at them all. There are so many. I need to actually zoom out to get them all in. So you've got those 8 and those 8. So you can replace each of those girls has an like alternate. So I will use, there's 10 there that I can use. 11, 12, 13. And then these are just extras, aren't they? Oh no, that's a duplicate. 14. I think that's it. This is completely extra, isn't it? 15. There are 15 full boxes. So if you use it over 2 weeks, like I do, you can use 7 and 8. Is that right? Yeah, 7 and 8. So there are so many full boxes. I am in love with this kit and I'm so excited to use it for Bonfire Night. And there's the glitter add-on on as well. I'm amazed she's just been like, you know what, it's probably just easier if I I'm trying to work out what I reckon. I'm thinking out loud. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. So there is so much in this mystery kit. There always is in Anna's mystery kits. They are so generous. 100% worth every penny. So that's it. That's the mystery kit, and I'm in love, and it is going to go straight into, and I'm going to do it now. Oh, I need to place my ColourfulandCo order. That reminds me. For one of these kits, hang on. Let's put this in the right place for this kit. This is going on Bonfire Night here. As I said, mystery kit. So that is going to go straight into there, and I am so excited to use that. So yeah. That's all I have for this video. So I'm now going to pass back to previous Tilly with the end bit of the haul. I'm basically saving for, so October is Beth of ColourfulandCo's shop anniversary, and then obviously November is Black Friday, so I'm sort of saving for those. So that's all I have for this video. Comment like down below what's your favourite thing that I got this month. I definitely think for me it has to be the Witches at Brew kit. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Thank you for watching. Bye!